If you need to change the alarm volume on Samsung Galaxy S25, you can go to Settings. In Settings, we need to choose Sounds and Vibration. And then over here, we can go to Volume. And if you have one volume for all alarms, then over here you should be able to adjust the loudness of the alarm. You can also go to the Clock app. And if you open it for the first time, you will see this prompt if you want to set the same volume for all alarms. So here you can also adjust it, and you can press OK. You can also tap on these three dots on the right side, go to Settings, and here you can go to Volume in order to also find the option to adjust the volume of all alarms. And also here you can switch to set different volume for each alarm. So now in order to change the volume of the alarm, you need to tap on the alarm itself, go to Alarm Sound, and here at the bottom you can change the volume. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!